We've all needed our yellow jackets lately. It's been unbelievably wet, and the soggy weather has us all swarming around the storm team, hoping for some brighter days here.
News Channel 9's Lindsay Rachel was hearing some buzz about a community garden in Clay and shows us how some of its new tenants are coping with the sting of this spring.
How does the rain make you feel?
Well,
there's one thing
I'm done. I'm so done.
that everyone agrees on.
I've had enough.
Rain, rain.
Go away.
The community garden here in Clay has been on a rain delay.
It was supposed to have happened 2 weeks ago, and they couldn't till the plots until just recently.
But now the plots are assigned and ready for people like Amy and her Girl Scout troop to grow.
They're going to get dirty. They're going to learn how to water. They're going to learn what happens when they don't water. If it ever stops raining, you know, and every year is not a good year. You're at Mother Nature's mercy.
The garden is all inclusive, incorporating new buzzworthy tenants too.
Everybody, on the count of 1, 2, 3, yay bees! 1, 2, 3, yay bees!
This sweet setup is for community beekeeping.
There's probably about 1,500 to 2,000 bees here.
And every single busy, buzzing bee hates the weather.
They don't like the rain.
They don't like the rain because it washes the nectar out of there's a swarm right here.
Oh, holy cow.
Yeah, that's a collection of bees. There's probably 4,000 or 5,000 bees there.
It's a dense crowd surrounding the queen.
So what exactly are you going to try?
Putting the box underneath here and shaking the bees down into that box. If those bees don't stay and start to fly back up, we'll know that we don't have the queen.
They can tell that quickly?
They can. That pheromone, that chemical signal, is very potent to the bees. That's one of their main forms of communication.
I'm not the queen. Go away.
Hopefully, this rain will do the same. In Clay, Lindsay Rachel, News Channel 9.
Lindsay, you are our queen for doing that story. The community beekeeping program will feature an 8-hour class where residents will learn bee biology and how to harvest their own honey.